Earlier, you were talking about District 33 being a mess. Give me an example of what they're dealing with.
The problem within the district is we have a large number of unemployed minorities within the district. The unemployment rate currently nationally, I believe, is 8.3%. And yet the unemployment rate among Latinos, for example, within District 33 right now, according to the latest numbers we've been able to find, is right at 11% for adult men and women. The same thing for Black American men and women, it is over 14% for them. In other words, the unemployment rate is much higher for these minorities, so the situation around the country is bad. In District 33, it's much worse. And those unemployment rates are rising from month to month, not declining. The situation is that people under age 21, the young people, the future for the Latino and Black American group, and Asians, and Anglos, any of those people, the problem is for the people under 21, the unemployment rate is nearly 24%. The actual number is 23.8 at last month. And those are unacceptable numbers. That's 1 in 4 of our young people who can't find positions. So jobs has got to be a primary focus. These people were never even on unemployment, so it's not like continuing unemployment. They've never had their first jobs, much less unemployment.